Wow. So many of you are confused about why Mimu bot commands are not working? Set messages and channels. But don't worry, I am here. Before that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. It's a friendly community. You must have noticed the old commands are outdated. Use these new ones. They're more simplified for greet,
Bye.
and boost messages. It's the same if you want to set the channel. Next up, are you confused that image links are not working in embed? No worries. Just use this command and add banner or icon. Bot will send the link. Now this one's cool. You can make your custom shop here using this command. Just create it and make your server 10 times better. I guess that is it from my side today. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe button so my video gets into algorithm. Also join my Discord server.
Bye.